All right, we're gonna turn this camera on, shoot this video, talk, and then turn it off. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. First of all, I always make comments sometimes about companies playing their customers, or should you feel played as a customer after the fact? And this is one of those situations, folks. There's no getting around it. This device is packing everything you possibly need, and it's $699. Why, Samsung? It's a game, folks. I mean, either you get out there early or you wait. And they released this device, man, $699. And there's probably some trade-in offers too, I'm sure. I'm looking at it in, 6.5-inch display, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, depending on your region and stuff like that. 4,500 milliamp hour battery, Snapdragon 865. I could stop right there. Super AMOLED display, blah, blah, blah. 32 megapixel front shooter. 32 megapixel front shooter. Incredible. Obviously, it shoots in 4K on both cameras. It comes in 6 colors, too. It comes in cloud red, cloud mint, which is like a green, cloud lavender, cloud navy, sweet, cloud white, team white, and cloud orange. Available ships October 2nd. $699, folks. It's just it's kind of like a slap in the face, I always talk about this. It's like, wow, why Samsung? The cloud white and the cloud orange and the cloud red, all these colors are actually pretty sweet, actually. But it's just kind of like almost a slap in the face, man, to know that you did this to us, and after everybody spent all this money on the other devices, you bring this one out. But this isn't so much a rant video. It's just back to what I always say. Sometimes companies play you, man. They get you to a point to where you're just okay with spending all this other money, and then I guess if sales drop or they just choose to, they bring out the same device at a lower price point and give you more options if it's colors and things like that. Like, honestly, this just should have been the Galaxy S20, right? Like, anybody else? Come on. This should have been the Galaxy S20, period. This should have been the Galaxy S20. Stop right there. That's it. And then you can have your Ultra or whatever. I don't understand it. Like, this is even a slap in the face to me for people who bought the Galaxy Note, like myself, the smaller Galaxy Note. They're charging $1,000 for these other devices that are pretty much the same, and this one costs $300 less. I don't know, Samsung. If you really want to screw over your customers, this is a way to do it. This is a way to do it. If people say, "Oh, Jay, you don't understand," all right, be quiet. Go take a time out. Go sit in the corner and take a time out, because you have to see what's going on here. There's absolutely no way that a person who bought the Galaxy S20 wouldn't be like, "Come on, hold on a second now." Even if you got it on a trade-in, it wouldn't matter, because you could do a trade-in on this device and get it for $240. Yeah, that makes sense. You see what I'm saying? So I just don't get it, man. I don't understand how they do it. I don't understand how they do it. How they could. This is good for them, obviously, because they're going to make a lot of money, obviously. They're going to sell you the Galaxy S20 all over again at a much lower cost. And honestly, they look great. I like the white, I like the red, I like the blue. I actually like all of these colors. They actually all look really good. I like it. I like them a lot. While my expensive $1,000 Galaxy S20 is upstairs in the drawer, waiting to get traded in. Here's what it is. I know some people are going to say, Jay, this doesn't have a Quad HD display and blah, blah, blah. You don't need a Quad HD display. Doesn't this one have 120 hertz anyway? Let's put the bifocals back on. I think this one has 120 hertz display anyway. Let's see. 120 hertz refresh rate. So, would you rather have a Quad HD display or 120 hertz refresh rate? I'll decide that up to you. I don't need, I would rather have a 4K display than a Quad HD or a 120 hertz. That's just personally me. But the 120 hertz at 1080p is more than enough. I don't know. I feel like Samsung, maybe this is kind of a rant video. Kind of. I don't want it to be, but maybe it is. Obviously, I probably want to get this device too, man. It's $699. I want to see what it's about. And I think it's probably going to be really good because Samsung's software is seasoned now. It's stable. It's stable software, at least from my experience. It's very stable software, no problems whatsoever. It's just good. It's good, solid software. Simple. So the SE, the fan edition, I said the FE, the fan edition is here. What do you guys think about that? People always say, "Oh, I don't feel played." It's maybe I'm the only one that's, I don't know. It's not just me. There's plenty of other people out there that feel like this. They're just not on YouTube. Maybe that's what it is, because I think it's kind of jacked up that they're charging $300 to $700 less for the same internals. Ultimately, it's kind of jacked up. But what can you do? You really can't do anything. You make a choice to jump out there and purchase things when they come out, and this is the end result. They're going to bring out something that costs even less. That's the same thing, and it's probably better. But quick video discussion, real fast. What do you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition FE 5G? All those beautiful colors. I like all those colors. I think it's totally worth $699. What do you think? This is also a get at OnePlus too, because OnePlus seems to have all the specs out like this, for this price point. And I would definitely take this. And even though I like stock Android, I would definitely take this FE over the OnePlus 8. The OnePlus 8 just wasn't that great to me. I like my OnePlus 7 Pro better. But this is a good look for Samsung. It sounds like I'm kind of trashing them a little bit, but this is actually a really good look for them. I think it's great. They're letting you know that we don't have to charge all these prices. We're just doing it because we can, because we're Samsung. That's what it is. Anything else? Nope. See you guys next video. Take care.